punch needle is one of those soft crafts that has been around for a long time. It's had its highs and its lows, and right now it's on a pretty good high. It's a very popular craft because it's really very relaxing, especially if you live in the Midwest and you need to stay inside for a little bit. So I want to show you some of the ones that we have here at Notions. I like that there's a little beginner kit. So these beginner kits will come with all of the floss and the hoop that you need to create that design. These are ones from Rachel of Greenfield, very country looking, a lot of really nice designs with that. And then the newest ones are from Dimensions. There are two different types from Dimensions. The first type is with the wool thread. So this is one I'm working on with the wool thread. And what I like in this design is the different dimensions that you get with the different colors per the instructions. And to do that, I needed to use the Boy Punch needle tool. So the Boy Punch needle tool comes with 4 different sizes of needles. So you're ready to do any design you'd like. So this is how it works. It's kind of funny because you work from the back side. And when you're working, you're just punching it down inside. And I don't know why the thread stays underneath, but it does. So you just punch along, not too tight, not too loose. And when it gets done, you see that you've created all these little loops on the other side. It's really very relaxing too. So these are done with wool. These are done with a floss. So here's my little owls in process, and I'm going to flip them over so you can see the back side. This is how I'm working on it. Now I thought the trickiest thing was threading. So this is the punch needle from Dimensions. And the idea is you get this long needle threader, you put the floss or the wool inside, and then it pulls it all the way to the other side. Then you need to take your needle threader again and put it through the eye of the needle. Put your floss in to the needle threader and pull it through the eye of the needle. And then you're ready to do your punching. And again, it's just a really simple punching down into the fabric and coming back up, and it creates the little loops on the other side. Now when you're done with the project, if it's just going to hang on the wall, you can just leave it just as it is, put it in a frame or in a hoop is very, very popular. Or if it's going to be something that might get a little bit more wear, like it might be on a tote bag. So my intention with this mandala one is to put it on a tote bag. What I'll do is on the back side of it, I will take some Elmer's glue and I'll smear Elmer's glue all over here, and that will secure it so that none of the loops come out. We have all the different types of hoops that you would like. The hoops from Edmunds are very, very high quality and very, very smooth wood that you can keep them in even when they're finished in like the little Dimensions hoop holder, so everything is displayed. And there is from Boy the very beginning of the I taught myself to punch needle with everything that you need and all the designs to do some work. So if you're thinking about picking up another soft craft for this cold season, maybe consider punch needle. I think you won't be disappointed.